got checked out of our hotel and we have train tickets, overnight train tickets this time. So we have to find something to do all day until about 8 o'clock, and then we're taking the overnight train to Chiang Mai.
That's if I book the right tickets this time. We sat at a coffee shop all day and worked. Got a bunch of stuff done on the blog and on the YouTube videos. And the coffee shop closed. Train don't leave for another 3 hours, so we're gonna just eat here and try to hang out. How'd you sleep? Did you? Me too, I slept really good.
Grab cars are like the Uber of Thailand.
It's a nice place for the next couple nights.
Yeah, it is.
The light switch is actually inside the bathroom. That's a first for Thailand.
So we found out from Facebook that our friend Len is here in Chiang Mai, and so we're gonna do a cooking class today with him.
Morning.
Morning. Sawadika.
Yeah. For cooking class?
Yes.
Yeah, take a seat, please. Yeah.
Okay.
And when your friend come, you can have some drink first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Hang on, let me look at myself. Beautiful. This is our friend Len. We found out from Facebook that he was here in Chiang Mai, so we're taking a cooking class with him.
All set to cook. And I'm just recording. I'm the video man.
He's gonna video and eat.
You guys ready?
As ready as
Doing
I'll
my
ever
stretches.
be. Yeah.
Lotus, my name Lotus.
Okay.
And
Yes. And she Dang. Yeah.
Dang.
She come to help me today. Sister number 7.
Sister number 7.
Oh,
Nice to
sister.
meet you.
Seven, yes.
Okay, today we start make tom yum and tom kha.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see what we have herb, fresh herb from my garden. We have and you put some fresh butter.
Oh.
Just a little spicy.
Yes ข้าวซอยเผ็ด
Green curry, cow soy.
Good.
Just made Thai green curry all by myself. Actually, Lotus helped me.
And you free gluten you put some rice noodle
Rice noodles. I am the best cook ever.
All right.
วันเพื่อเปิดไฟเลยไฟดูกะทิบะหมี่น่ะแม่นบอกหลาดจังหวัดโอเค we can eat together
You like it?
yeah friend baby
It's so good.
ค่ะ
And the pad thai and the sticky rice.
I liked it. I liked everything.
Yeah.
I liked it, but I love the pad thai. I
Yes.
love the pad thai.
I'm
It's
so
the best.
happy to share with you
Yes.